About this item: power specs: input 100-240V 1.2 A50 60Hz, output 5V3A9 V3A15 V3A20 V3.25A, power 65W, connector size USB Type-C replacement charger not fit for round tip or micro USB, universal compatibility 1. The replacement Chromebook charger compatible for Lenovo Chromebook 100E, 300E, 500E, C330, C340, S330, S345, C630, C630, 13, C630, 13Q50, C340-11, C340-15, S340-14, C740, S940, 14W14E, S345-14, AST81, High 81, ER81, H081, ES81, M881 MB, 81 QC81, MQ81, M980, X680, VF80, VG81, JW81, JX81, MA81, MC. Universal compatibility to the replacement USB-C laptop charger compatible for Lenovo Yoga 910, 920, C630, C930, C940, S940, 910 to 13, 920 to 13, C930, 13, 910-13, IKB 920-13, IKB C940-14, IIL Yoga 730, 730s, S730, 720 to 13, 730 to 13, 730s to 13, S730, 13, 720-13, IKB 730, 131 KB 720, S13, IKB 730, S13, IWL S730, 13, IWL S730, 13, IML 720s touch 13, IKB 720, S13 ARR safety protection. This power cord for Lenovo laptop charger using high quality materials, with wear resistance, aging resistance, and durability. It has passed the strict USB compliance standard test, with automatic heat dissipation, overload cutting, short circuit protection and other designs. To ensure the safety of use, worry-free warranty, all customers can enjoy free replacement and full refund within 12 months. Amazon return windows will close after 1 month. Don't worry about it, you can click on Seller's Store on right